You ready, Micah?
Oh yeah.
Alright, sweet. Hey moms out there, how's it going? Welcome back to Cocoon with Bart. And today we will be making crepes. Crepes are really simple and easy to make. They can either be a sweet treat or a savory snack. What they are is pretty much really thin pancakes. What you will need for these crepes is 2 cups of milk, 6 eggs, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 cup of flour, a pinch of sugar, a pinch of salt. And for the filling, we will use 2 packages of cream cheese, half cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk. First thing we will do is break the eggs and beat them. After we beat the eggs, we're gonna pour in some milk. This episode was made by my mom in 2008, and I will be doing it here today. Once we have poured in the milk, we're gonna pour in a cup of flour. And then we will add a pinch of salt and sugar. Then we will add a tablespoon of oil. Once the batter has been mixed, we will put it in the fridge from 30 minutes to a day. Now since it's been a day, we're going to take the batter out of the fridge. And we're going to set it right here next to the stove. Grab your favorite pan, and we're going to put the stove on medium heat. Once the pan is heated up a little bit, we're going to put oil on top so the crepes won't stick. And we're just going to spread that around. Alright, grab whatever dipper you want, and on that dipper, you're going to put at least around 1/4 cup of crepe. You're going to take the pan off, pour the crepe batter in the middle of the pan, and you're going to do a circular motion to spread it. After the crepe stops sticking to the pan or it looks a bit brown, it is time to flip the crepe. Once the other side starts to brown, take it off from the pan and reapply oil on it, and then start the rest of the crepes. Alright, now that we're almost done with our last crepe, it'll be time to make the filling for the crepe. For more fillings, go to this link right here. But other than that, I'll be making a sweet cream cheese filling, and that's pretty simple to make. Just 2 ingredients, sugar and cream cheese. For the cream cheese, we're just going to use 2 cream cheeses, a half cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk, and we're just going to put it in a mixing bowl and mix with a spoon. Alright, now that we're done with mixing the filling, I will teach you how to fold a crepe. How I always did it is throw a crepe on a plate, put spread half of cream cheese all along the crepe. Just get it in there, and then you will fold half of it over and just roll up the rest for a roll of the crepe. And boom, it is rolled up. Other ways to roll up a crepe can be located here on the 2019 WikiHow article.
Yep.
Now that you guys know how to make some crepes, now you can go out to your own kitchen and make some
Crepes!
And this has been Cooking with Bart. Still in the same spot. I wish I had an electric mixer. This is a good montage.
Your video should just be 15 minutes of beating eggs.
And then after like that time, you'd be like, phew, that was quick.
Those crepes are yummy.
That was simple and easy.
Good thing these crepes been cooking while I've been getting tired.